What is up, you guys? Dylan DeSilva here, and I'm going to go through week 28. Today's Friday, May 28th, and we got a few good trades this week that I'm going to kind of show you a little bit of. So let's jump over to the screen. All right, so this was my trade from today. I actually just got out of it, and I could have played it better, but I played it safe. So that technique that I mentioned last week, how I was kind of buying the stocks that dip low into resistance right off the open with the hopes of trading throughout their range and then proceeding higher. Well, that's exactly what this stock did, but it took a little too long for me to get there, and I actually didn't bother with the waiting it out any longer like I probably should have. But anyways, we took some away from the table on this one, which was good. But the first 3 minutes, I kind of saw some resistance picking up down here, tall tail, but it wasn't the best bull setup, because it was looking for a reversal. But I got in a really good price point. My risk was 547, which when you scroll back was a little below a dip in the pre-market. So that trade actually went 1R instantly, 2R, pulled back 2R again. I sold half at 2R, and then I sold half as it was making its way down back to 1R, and decided to completely get out of it. But this would have been a 3R all or nothing profitable trade if I would have stayed in, which would have been really nice to do, but I played it safe, and I'm still learning this technique and developing. But now that I showed you this, we can head on over to the TraderView account, which I just set up again. Here we are in TraderView, and without any trades from today, this is my stats so far. So lose a little more, win big, lose a little more, lose a little. So just kind of a weird set of outcomes, but this really big outlier trade I think is kind of skewing the data, but those are to be expected every now and then. I just got to play the outlier trade if it does go in my direction. But the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are from 6, what was that? $5 from, I think that was yesterday. I was up $5. So not bad. Two green days, 4 red days. I mean, can't really complain. 33% of my days are green, which is better than before. I can tell you that much. Total gains and losses so far, not including today, is 92.21. With today's profit, that I think it was 70-ish, so it puts me around 140, 150. I don't know what the exact change was, but in that ballpark overall. So taking commissions out of that, I probably would be up $100. But then again, there's a lot of slippage that we're not accounting for, a lot of poor fulfillment that we're not accounting for in real trading. So the simulator might be a little generous at this point, but we don't know. Average winning trade, almost just about 2R. Average losing trade, minus 30. So that could be because of the break even and the minus 50 once you hit certain points. Total trades, 14. Winning trades, 30%. Losing trades. So yeah, that's about right from at least what I've noticed. Well, yeah, so overall, very basic. I keep forgetting what tabs show me what because I only have the free version. I don't get that many options to look at. Enough of this, let me show you the trading journal. So overall stats so far, these are my trades for the past couple weeks. The ones that I'm really counting that I've been trying with a consistent method has been, I believe, up until maybe the third, I think it was the 20th. The 20th is when I started staying consistent with these dip trades, or dive reversals, what I've been calling them. They don't really dive, they just kind of dip off the open or sell off. But regardless, looking at the numbers, actual P&L from the simulator account, 147, almost 150 like I mentioned earlier. I forgot to fill in this data for these two trades, so it's going to be a little skewed. I just know that I did not, which one was those? I can't remember what I did with those trades, but just my apologies. Ignoring those trades for now, this is the 147 total. 1R all or nothing is looking like the most, along with 2R break even at 1R, are both looking like the most profitable or less losing trades, at least losing trades, out of all the techniques that I'm testing so far. 2R all or nothing is the one I've been doing. No, sorry, this is the one I've been doing. Actually, I'll highlight this just so we know that this is what I'm currently on. And so far it's been performing the best. Actual results show different. That's because of slippage in the simulator and whatnot. It's weird. I think they actually replicate slippage. So if there's not enough shares available in the simulator, it won't fulfill your order, which is good. It's a good thing to have. Like you're more realistic in your data. Some of these I actually didn't stay on long enough to see if they went 3R, which is why some of these aren't filled, which these could make a lot of a difference. And actually, the last one I just took, VTNR, sorry, is it VTNR or VNTR? VTNR, yeah. So VTNR, I've had this name wrong in my head all day. VTNR actually went 3R today. So, and that was a profitable 3R trade on all of these. So that would be 150 and 150. Sorry. Stop 1R at 2R. Looking at that trade. Stop 1R at 2R. That would have put this one at a 2R return, which would be 100. This is a trailing 1R stop. The same thing would have been 100. And then the highest R in the trade before I left was 2.4R. So, not too bad. But as you can see, we are doing a lot better. We are doing better. This week, I'm down, I believe, $15 after everything, but that's before commissions. So $15 down is a lot better than my past days in the trading simulator. But that'll just about do it for this week. I'm going to continue on with this dive reversal. I don't know what to call it. I'm sure there's a better name for it, just a reversal off the open or a sell-off into a reversal. I think it's probably the most accurate. But we're going to continue on with this pattern. Hopefully we have some better results next week and we're not below or maybe 0 or above. So I will talk to you guys later. You guys have a good one. Peace.